So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, nandito kami sa Aurora Cineplex. Maglalaro kami ng golf. Kasi nga si John Mark may dalawang free tickets from school. Kaya ito gagamitin na namin ngayon. So yan guys, ito yung Aurora Cineplex. Malapit lang to sa amin guys, walking distance. So first, kukuha kami ng extra na ticket. Kasi nga dalawa lang yung gift ni John Mark na ticket. So, good for two.
We ain't gonna take that one. We're gonna purchase the mini golf inside.
And dito kami mag-start. Rob. That's my ball. Where's your ball? Second. Ganda ng ano guys, oh. Fountain nila, kulay pink. And may barko-barko din sila. Where's your ball?
Right here!
Okay, do it. Tingnan natin yung nakashot. Layo man dong. Oh, wow! Muntik na. Muntik na ma-shot. Muntik lang. Yeah. Hole number 2. Wala. Palpak, Robert. Palpak. Wala na shoot, guys. Wala na shoot. Hole number 2. John Mark. Oh! Lumampas ka. Sayang. Nasubrahan ng lakas, guys.
I paid for a round of golf, you know. Didn't play golf.
Oh, no, that's a perfect fit. Bob? I just found a perfect fit.
Wow.
Oh, I just went
Hole number 3. Oh. Wala na shoot.
Not enough power.
Wala kang energy, John Mark. Si John Mark, guys, walang energy. Nagsasayang ka lang ng oras.
Yay, I'm the first one.
Get out.
You did the same thing he did to me. Look at that. Down here now. It'll be a long day. Come on, man.
I tried to stop it. Hurry, I'm gonna go in front of you.
Wala, hindi ka makashoot, Robert. Ha? I try. Oh, di ba na-shoot?
You better not knock him out.
Yes, shoot.
That's funny because you got knocked 2 times.
At dahil November 1 ngayon, guys, nandyan pa yung kanilang mga decorations. Ayan. May Halloween and ang tubig dito ay kulay pula. Ayan. You shoot? Chupa-chuchu daw. Di naman makashoot si John Mark. No energy. Wala siyang energy, guys. Hole number 6.
Hi, nako.
Hi nako, Robert. So, nandito na kami sa hole number 6, guys. Isa pa lang yung nasi-shoot ni Robert.
Oh, man.
It just went over it.
Shoot! Tumalon pa siya. Ay, nako. Ang hirap i-shoot kasi nga, ayan o. May mga bundok-bundok siya. Oh, shoot!
Okay. I had to do all that. Okay. Going like I was planning to.
Shoot! Oh, muntik na ma-shoot. Hole number 7. Hindi makashoot si John Mark.
Got it. Go.
Shoot, babe? No? Mahina ka eh. Tingnan nyo yung skeleton, guys. Parang ako, si Rob, at saka yung nakabilin si John Mark. Pinapanood namin siya. Ayan. Dito na nga pala kami sa hole number 8. Hole number 8. Skeleton ducks, guys, oh. And ayan, oh, yung skeleton sa, ayan.
Mama, that kind of looks like a couch.
Yeah. Parang couch siya, guys. Oh, yung bato. Okay, go sit down. Parang minulto yung camera ko ay. There you go. Yeah. It's very far.
Move. What are you doing?